Yes, sir. So today's topic is sentence and its parts. Sentence and its parts. Okay, not types. Today's topic is sentence. What is sentence and how many parts are there of it? Okay, parts, not type. Uh, Sentence topic name topic sentence and its parts. Sentence and its parts. What is sentence? What is sentence? Okay, you see the definition of sentence. The definition of sentence is that a collection, a collection or group, a collection or group of more than two words, two words, more than two words, at least three, at least three. Okay, at least how many? Three. A collection, a group of more than two words, at least three. Okay, which is which is in proper order, in proper order, which is in proper order. Yes, proper order, and and which has which has a complete sense, a complete sense. Okay, a complete sense, which is in proper order and which has a complete sense. Okay, is called sentence, is called sentence, right? The definition says that a collection or a group of words of a group of more than two words, at least how many words should be? Three. Okay, which is in proper order and which has a complete sense, not half sense, complete sense. Okay, is called sentence. Okay, now you see, if I write come, has, he, here, I have written, I have written some words here, some words. This is collection, this is collection of words. This is collection of words, but this is not in proper order. This is not in proper order. This is collection of more than two words, but this is not in proper order. This is not written rightly. This is not written correctly. ये सही ऑर्डर में नहीं लिखा हुआ है, राइट? कलेक्शन तो है, वर्ड्स का कलेक्शन तो है, बट सही ऑर्डर में नहीं लिखा हुआ है, राइट? यस। If I write here, he has come here. Now this is collection of words. This is collection of words plus in proper order, in proper order plus has a complete sense, has a complete sense. Okay, so for being a sentence, sentence होने के लिए three things are necessary. Okay, one, number one, collection of words. collection of words होना चाहिए, प्रॉपर ऑर्डर में होना चाहिए, और उसका एक कंप्लीट सेंस होना चाहिए. देन एंड ओनली देन आफ्टर, तभी दैट कलेक्शन विल बी कॉल्ड सेंटेंस. तभी वो सेंटेंस कहलाएगा, वो कलेक्शन सेंटेंस कहलाएगा. राइट? सेंटेंस होने के लिए कलेक्शन ऑफ वर्ड्स का होना जरूरी है, कम से कम 2 से ज्यादा वर्ड्स का, और प्रॉपर ऑर्डर में होना चाहिए, और उसका कंप्लीट सेंस होना चाहिए. राइट? तो फॉर बीइंग अ सेंटेंस देयर मस्ट बी कलेक्शन ऑफ मोर देन 2 वर्ड्स, नॉट ओनली 2 वर्ड्स, more than 2 words, at least 3 words. Okay, and they must be in proper order, and they must have a complete sense. Right? Now this is sentence. Now this is sentence. Now this is sentence. Okay, if I write here coming working am I at home. Working am I at home. Is this sentence? No, this is not sentence. This is not sentence. Because this is collection. This is collection of words. This is collection of words. Okay, but not in proper order, not in proper order, not in proper order, and no sense, no complete sense, no complete sense. Okay, that's why this is not sentence. This is not sentence. Right? If I write this like I am working at home. Okay, I am working at home. Now this is collection of words. Okay, plus in proper order, okay, plus yes, complete sense, has a complete sense, has a complete sense. That's why this is sentence. This is sentence, but this is not sentence. Right?
Yes.
And this is also not sentence. This is also not sentence. Right? Because this is not in proper order. This is not in proper order. Right? So for being a sentence, what are compulsory? What are compulsory?
Proper order and
Collection of words, proper order,
and
complete sense. Then that collection will be called sentence. तभी वो सेंटेंस कहलाएगा. राइट? किसी भी कलेक्शन ऑफ वर्ड्स को सेंटेंस तभी कह सकते हैं जब क्या है, वो प्रॉपर ऑर्डर में हो और उसका कंप्लीट सेंस हो. ओके, लेट मी राइट हियर सम. इफ आई राइट हियर ही बाउट, is this sentence? No, because it has 2 words. सिर्फ 2 ही वर्ड्स हैं, है नहीं? सेंटेंस होने के लिए कम से कम 3 वर्ड का होना जरूरी है. A second thing, Second thing is that no complete sense, no complete sense. इसका सेंस भी कंप्लीट नहीं है. He bought, उसने खरीदा. क्या खरीदा? क्या खरीदा? सेंस कंप्लीट नहीं है. दिमाग आगे सोचने लगता है.
Yes.
तो जहां पर दिमाग आगे सोचने लगे, जहां पे दिमाग आगे सोचने लगे, ठीक है, तो वो सेंटेंस नहीं होगा. पकड़ने का आसान तरीका है. राइट राइट दिस इज इजी वे.
Yes.
Okay, to identify sentence, to identify sentence where your mind starts thinking further. Okay, so that will not be sentence. He bought. If I tell you he bought, अगर मैं आपसे कहूं कि उसने खरीदा,
Yeah.
तो अपने माइंड को देखिए, आगे सोच रहा है कि नहीं सोच रहा है? सोच रहा है. क्या खरीदा? राइट ना? So this is not sentence. If I write here, he bought a mobile. उसने एक मोबाइल खरीदा.
Yes.
Now you check your mind. अपने माइंड को आप चेक कीजिए. आगे सोच रहा है? आगे सोच रहा है. He bought a mobile.
No.
मैंने आपको कहा कि उसने एक मोबाइल खरीदा है. खरीदा. तो आगे सोच रहा है?
No.
नहीं. स्टॉप हो गया. सेंस कंप्लीट. तो दिस इज सेंटेंस. दिस इज sentence. Right? In the same way, if I say, I'll clean. I'll clean. मैं साफ करूंगा. माइंड को चेक कीजिए. आगे सोच रहा है?
Yes.
सोच रहा है. Is this sentence?
No.
Is this sentence? No. This is not sentence. If I say, I'll clean the room. मैं रूम साफ करूंगा. यहां पे है आई विल क्लीन, मैं साफ करूंगा. तो यू विल थिंक व्हाट विल आई क्लीन. आपका दिमाग सोचेगा ना
Yes.
क्या साफ करेंगे वो. राइट. तो यहां पे ये क्या है? सेंटेंस नहीं. हियर इज द सेंस क्लियर. हियर इज द सेंस कंप्लीट. क्या साफ करूंगा? रूम. राइट. तो दिस इज सेंटेंस. दिस इज सेंटेंस. कंप्लीट सेंस. कंप्लीट सेंस. राइट. आई विल क्लीन द रूम. तो फॉर बीइंग अ सेंटेंस, सेंटेंस होने के लिए देयर मस्ट बी कलेक्शन ऑफ वर्ड्स, at least 3 words, and there must be that collection must be in proper order, and that collection must have complete sense. These three things are necessary for being a sentence. Sentence होने के लिए 3 चीजों का होना जरूरी है. राइट. एक तो कलेक्शन ऑफ वर्ड्स, दूसरा प्रॉपर ऑर्डर, तीसरा कंप्लीट सेंस. तभी उसको सेंटेंस कहेंगे. Have you understood? Okay, note down this.